So I went to an alright school, like not like a bad school, but like an okay school. And my school got a new gymnasium, a $9 million investment. And it was a really cool gym. It had like squeaky floors, it had squeaky things, and it was really cool. And yeah, it was alright. Now, you would think that if they spent $9 million, they wouldn't have this tiny, 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 tiny design flaw. And one day when I was, in year 10, we were playing basketball, me being not the smartest tool in the shed, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna kick the basketball instead of throwing the basketball. Well, someone decided to put a glass fire alarm, the break glass if fire, right in the gymnasium, and like my basketball might have just accidentally hit it. I mean, was it really my fault? And I mean, look, I didn't mean to. I mean, no, let's be real, I absolutely meant to do it. But I mean, they didn't know that. So I thought I was okay. So I walk outside and then I immediately just see the school evacuating, and then I'm like, okay, I'm in way more trouble than I think I am. Like, you should have seen everyone going up in file order. It's like, alright, 7A, line up. And I'm like, oh dear God, this is because of my basketball. Like, and then like immediately right after I see like all the fire trucks and like the whole entire fire brigade went to the school, and I'm like, oh, I'm so screwed. And yeah, right after I got suspended. The principal was like, so Abe, why did you do this? I'm like, look, to be fair, why would you install a break glass instead of a pull lever in a brand new $9 million gymnasium? The principal looks at me and I look at her and we both realize, yeah, that's a really good point. I'm like, yeah, you don't say so. Anyway, and yeah, that's pretty much the story of me getting in trouble at school. Don't recommend it. Just if you're inside a gymnasium, do not kick basketballs inside fire alarms and you'll be alright. Anyway, that's that. And yeah, don't do what I did. Fun fact.